Hey, pancake lovers, welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the art of making the fluffiest pancakes you've ever tasted. I'm your host, Maya, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Before we get started, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 4 cup of buttermilk, 4 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract for that extra flavor, kick. All right, let's jump right into the mix. In a large bowl, combine the ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good whisk to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Now, in a separate bowl, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. Crack that egg, pour in the buttermilk, regular milk, melted butter, and a splash of vanilla extract. Whisk it all together until you have a smooth, creamy mixture. The secret to fluffy pancakes? Not overmixing. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry ones. A few lumps are fine. They'll disappear during cooking. Time to heat up the pan. I've got it on medium heat, and I'm using a ladle to pour our pancake batter onto the pan. Watch as the magic happens. Bubbles will start forming on the surface. Once you see those bubbles, it's flip time. Grab your spatula and do a quick flip. Look at that golden brown perfection, and there you have it, a stack of the fluffiest pancakes you've ever seen. Drizzle with your favorite syrup. Add some fresh berries or a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. Now, the best part, let's give these a taste. Takes a bite. Oh, wow. These are seriously the fluffiest pancakes I've ever made. The buttermilk gives them a delightful tang, and the texture is just perfect. Thanks for joining me on this pancake adventure today. If you try these at home, let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.